Hello students, let's move for the second sum in the exercise 7.4. Find the relationship between the x and y if the points x comma y 1 comma 2 and 7 comma 0 are collinear. I told you already, in a triangle if the points are collinear then the area of triangle will be 0. Okay. So let us take the area of triangle. So here the points they has not given, so we have to take ABC only. So area of triangle equal to the formula same you have to write, that is x y minus y and plus x, again the same it is, that is the x y minus y plus x, thrice you have to write like that, y minus y. Okay, here 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2, right? Okay, so next area of triangle will be 0. I told you, because the points are collinear, so that equal to half into, so x1 y1, let us write the given for this. X1 y1 are the first coordinates. First coordinates are same they has given, that is nothing but the x comma y only, write as it is x comma y, and x2 y2 are the second coordinates. The second coordinates are 1 comma 2 and x3 y3 are the third coordinate, x3 y3, so the third coordinates are 7 comma 0. So let's substitute the same value for this. x1 is x and y2 is 2 minus y3 is 0 plus x2 is 1 and y3 is 0 minus y1 is y plus x3 is 7, y1 is y minus y2 is 2. So let us substitute like that. Then we got here 2. If we do the cross multiplication here, 2 comma 0 itself it is 0. So x into 2x is 2x minus x into 0 is 0 plus 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into y 1y minus 1y plus 7 into y is 7y plus into minus 7 2s are 14 here. Okay, so finally we got here 2x minus 1y plus 7y is plus 6y we can get. So 2x plus 6y minus 14 we got here. So relationship between an x and a y, in the sense not the value of x and y, how the equations will come like that. So if we are taken a 2 common here, 2 3s are plus 2, sorry 2 1s are 2, I mean 1x, 2 3 was 6 minus 7 equal 0. So here 2 equals 0 as well as x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. So this is the relationship between x and y. Okay, so this is the relationship between x and y, what they have asked. Okay, let's move for the third sum in the same exercise. Find the center of a circle passing through the points 6 comma minus 6, 3 comma minus 7 and 3 comma 3. Let us take, this is a circle and this center we want to point. Okay, so this center is passing through the points, that is a coordinates are 6 comma minus 6 and b coordinates are 3 comma minus 7 and c coordinates are 6 comma minus 6. So here let the center be P, let the center be P, let the center be P here. So if you have taken here AP, both are all are radius only here, I mean AP equal to BP, BP equal to PC. So we can write here AP equal to BP, BP equal to CP, we can write like that. So if you have taken a distance formula here, let's find out a AP. First as take AP equal to BP. First you have to take AP equal to BP. So AP distance formula, we want to use the distance formula here because we are finding the distance between that. So take distance formula, that is, you know that D equals square root of, let us take the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to, again the same formula here also, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AP and BP. So let's write the AP first. AP in the sense this thing, we don't know P. P we has taken as let the center be x and y. So this is the center. Take this as x comma y. Okay, because we don't know, no, for that sake. So A is here A coordinates are x1 y1. For AP it is 6 and minus 6, and P is nothing but the x2 y2 second coordinate x2 y2, that is x comma y itself. Okay, so let us substitute for this. So x2 is nothing but the x minus x1 is 6 whole square plus y2 is y minus y1 is minus 6 whole square. So that equal to the square root of, for BP here. So for the BP here I am writing because may you are getting confusion for that sake. In BP the x1 y1 is B coordinate. B coordinate is 3 comma minus 7, and BP coordinate is same, that is the x2 y2. So that is x and y. So in the same way let us substitute here also, that nothing but x2 is x minus 3 whole square plus y2 is y minus y1 is minus 7 whole square. Okay, so to remove the square root we have to do the square on both sides. Square on both the side. So if we do the square on both the side, what it will become? So it will become square root of x minus 6 whole square plus y minus into minus is plus 6 whole square, that square equal to the square root of, here also x minus 3 whole square plus y minus into minus is plus y plus 7 whole square, and that whole square. So cancel square and the square root on both the side because it will be cancelled. The remaining will be x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square equal to this side x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square, and it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Even it is also a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Let's write a minus b whole square formula here. That means a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a square plus b square plus 2ab is the a plus b whole square. So if you don't know, you have to write once. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in the same way here a value is x and b value is x, so we have to write according to the formula. So that means x square plus 6 are 36 minus 2ab, in the sense 2 6 into x, that means 12x, plus it is in the form of a plus b whole square, y square plus 6 are 36 plus 2ab, 2 6 are 12, 12 into y, 12y. So that equal to, so it is also in the form of, here also a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square, that is nothing but x square plus 3 3s are 9 minus 3 2s are 6x plus y square plus 7 7s are 49 plus 7 2s are 14y it is. Hope you will understand. Next we have to move for that. Here plus 36, sorry, it's not minus 36, it is plus 36 only. We want to add, it will not cancel, it will not cancel. So let us write x square, or this side x square and a y square we can cancel on the both the side. It should be like that. So this x square and this y square will be cancelled. Let us take the x to the one side and y to the one side. So it will become what? First it is minus 12x, and this minus 6x, if it is comes to here, plus 6x plus 12y, and this plus 14y, if it is comes to the LHS, it will become minus 14y. And the numbers are 36 plus 36 is 72 here in the LHS, and 49 is 58. If it is comes to the it will become minus 58 equals 0, right? Okay, so minus 12x plus 6 is nothing but the minus 6x, minus 14y plus 12y nothing but the minus 2y, plus 72 minus 15 is plus, I think 14 plus 14. Okay, 58 plus 14 is 72, correct. Okay, 14, that equal to 0 here. So minus 3x, if you have taken a common here, it will become minus 3x minus y plus 2 7s of 14 equal to 0. So 2 equal to 0, therefore minus 3x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. So in the same way we have to take the BP, I mean AP equal to BP we have taken. In the same way BP equal to CP, take BP equal to CP. So here also the same method we want to follow this distance formula, that is square root of. So for a BP write x1 y1, BP in the sense x1 y1 is the B coordinate, that is 3 minus 7, and x2 y2 are the P coordinate, that is x and y. So let us substitute for this x2 minus x1 in the sense x minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 in the sense y minus of minus 7 whole square. So that equal to CP. Let's write the CP coordinates here. Here I am writing, that is x1 y1 are the C coordinates. So C coordinates are 6 minus 6. Even a C coordinates also, sorry, 6 C coordinates are 3 3. So the third thing we want to take 3 3. So let us take 3 3. C coordinates are 3 3. Okay, because it has given C coordinates are 3 3. So according to that, and P coordinates are x2 y2, that is nothing but x and y. So let us substitute the same for this also. So it's become x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Okay, so square on both sides. Now square on both the side. So if we do the square on both sides, the square root and square will be cancelled. Here we are getting x minus 3 whole square. Directly I am doing because you know already the square and square root will be cancelled. So it will become y plus 7, minus into minus plus 7 whole square, that equal to the this side x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. So yes, so in the same way MNSB whole square nothing but the x square plus 9, and 3 2s are 6x, 2ab means 6x plus here a square plus 7 7s are 49 plus 7 2s are 14y. So that equal to MNSB whole square nothing but the x square plus 3 3s are 9. So yes, minus, and I think the same we got here, minus 6x, not plus 6x, it is the minus 6x. because a minus b, here also minus 6x. And y minus 3 whole square, it is plus y square plus 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6y minus 6y, it is 2ab. Okay, so your x square and x square again cancelled, then y square and y square is also cancelled. Along with that, minus 6x and minus 6x also we can cancel. Minus 6x minus 6x, the remaining will be 49 plus 9, that means 58. So 14y, and this side minus 6y, if it is comes to the LHS, so that is plus 6y, so that equal to the, so here 9 plus 9 is 18 minus, so this 49 if it is 58, if it is moved to the RHS, it is become minus 58. Okay, then 14 plus 6 is 20y equals minus 58 minus 18 become minus 40, because 58 minus 18, so y equals minus 40 divided by 20, 21s are 22, that is minus 2. Y value is minus 2. So let us substitute the y value for this equation. So we got substitute the y value in equation, take this as a equation 1. So if you are substituting, take the equation minus 3x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. So let us substitute minus 3x minus of minus 2 plus 7 equal 0. Minus 3x minus into minus plus 2 plus 7 equals 0. So minus 3x equals 7 plus 2 9. So if it is moved to the RHS, it will become minus 9. Okay, then so 3x equals minus 3x equals minus 9. So therefore the x equals minus 9 divided by minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled, x equals 3. So the required points we got, x is 3 and y is minus 2. So you should write here, no place, here I am writing the required center of circle, they are asking center of circle, or x is 3 and y is minus 2. Required point of center of circle, so that is 3 minus 2. Hope you will understand that. Thank you all.